We are in the process of applying a sealer stain. This is a natural bluestone, and bluestone is a sandstone that has iron in it, and after a while you get discolorations that will go away with time and that they might come back. So we are going to make this bluestone coping or uniform. We're going to get rid of all these blotchy looking spots. We are in the process of applying the first coat, and we are going to repeat the process at least 3 times with the brush and with a roller. We have completed the staining process of the bluestone. We not only changed the color of it, but it's also sealed. The color, it's not all very uniform, but also does not look that's painted. It still has a very natural color variations throughout. It really looks like it's the color of the stone. Does not look like some color pigment that was applied on the surface of the bluestone. This is the latest color stain for bluestone done by Gappsi in Stony Brook, New York.